Welcome back. Well, impact on commodities as well on the back of this rate hike. So let's get in Manisha Gupta to explain all that to us and all the update from the commodities space. Hey, Manisha, good morning.
Morning, Sonal. Thank you for that. Well, as the statement started coming in from the U.S. Fed chairperson, we saw the asset classes move on both sides. But, within commodities, we've seen some support continue. After that initial knee-jerk reaction of a gain and a loss, now we seem to be stabilizing. So the crude oil prices still continue to hold around that 3-week highs. We're not too far away from $96 a barrel for Brent or even $90 a barrel for the WTI crude prices. This is because there is fall in the U.S. crude inventories. Not just crude, but there's a decline for the distillate inventories as well. And then the markets are looking at the OPEC and allies output, which also has continued to decline way below their agreed output. And then they are cutting extra from the month of November. Markets also are looking at the European Union embargo on Russian oil that starts on 5th of December. And remember, the winter period has just about started, so the natural gas and other distillate demand will only increase, and that is what is supporting the prices right now. Same is the case with metals as well. The U.S. Fed is done. It is about the Bank of England monetary policy meeting today that the markets will watch out for. And in the meanwhile, there is also Australia trade surplus, which has topped estimates. The Singapore private sector growth has hit a 3-month high. So when you look at the Asian economies, the data here still continue to be on the stronger side. And that in turn is supporting metals and precious metals buying today.
Okay, some support there. Manisha, thank you so much for explaining that impact to us. That's about the commodity markets. A quick look at what's happening in the Asian markets yet again, because they continue to reel under some pressure. We have Hang Seng, which is sitting with cuts of around almost, actually those losses have extended, so it's down 2.4%. The Taiwanese index also losing much more than what we saw when we started the show, down 1.2%. And the SGX Nifty, which was down around 150 points when we started the show, is down 170 points at the day's low, below that 18,000 mark as of now. We'll have to see which way things go for our own markets, but of course the start will be in the red for us. With that, we'll take your leave on this edition of Power Breakfast. Thanks a lot for joining in. Bazaar Morning Call comes up next.